Yes, they do, and a pretty good day on the way, Patrick. Partly sunny, temperatures getting into the low 40s, and then things start to go downhill. We bring in cold weather. We also bring in snow. In fact, a winter storm watch has been issued for this blue shaded area. You can see it includes the entire south coast of Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, including Newport, Jamestown, Westerly, out towards Cape Cod. Now, watches are issued when there is a potential of a plowable snowfall, and I'm thinking the heaviest amounts would actually be east of Providence, Little Compton, into New Bedford, Fall River, and Cape Cod. That's how the storm looks to be setting up right now. Of course, we'll keep you updated. Providence at this point is not in that watch area, but still several inches of snow possible for Providence as well. I'll have more details on that coming up in just a minute. First, though, we look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12. No precipitation to track for this morning or most of the afternoon. By this evening, a slight chance of a brief snow squall, which I'll also talk about in just a second. Outside we go. Temperatures right now are in the low 30s for the most part. 32 Smithfield, 31 Gloucester, Fall River at 36, New Bedford 35 degrees, and in Westerly we are at 37. So our storm system that's on the way, you actually can't see it on this map. Now, this is the leading edge of some of that cold air which scoots through later on this evening, bringing those potential snow squalls and also the very cold temperatures. But the storm that we're watching for Tuesday, that actually comes from the south, and that'll grab some moisture off the Atlantic and combine with the very cold air to produce some fairly fluffy snow. Now, in fact, we can track that going hour by hour. First, let's talk about that potential snow squall. Anytime after 5 p.m., this is around 7 p.m. I'm stopping this, but anywhere between 5, 7, 8 o'clock, the potential of a snow squall will move through. You can see it's not a lot in terms of precipitation coverage. Snow squalls basically will give you brief, heavy doses of snow with gusty winds, dropping visibilities, and then they are out of here. So while they can be dangerous to drive through, they generally don't produce too much in terms of accumulation just because they move through so quickly. And this could be very scattered as it moves through this evening, where not everybody actually gets the snow. Everyone will get the cold. We do know that. So a very cold starts at tomorrow morning, and then snow looks to develop by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, so potentially affecting the evening commute. Stopping this at 5 o'clock. Snow becoming heavy at times late tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. You could see stopping the clock at 8 o'clock. And notice the trend here, the darkest shades of blue to the south and east of Providence across the south coast out towards New Bedford, Fall River, where potentially we're looking at 4 to 8 inches of snow. But from Providence and points north and west, we could see a rapid drop in those accumulations with not nearly as much snow. So we need to iron out the details as we look to put up some snow totals here in the coming hours. For today, no snow totals to worry about, that's for sure. 39 degrees by noontime. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're at 41 degrees with partly sunny skies with breezy conditions. You can see low 40s for the most part as we go up and down the east and west bay. Cranston 41, Riverside at 41 degrees, and south coast temperatures also in the low 40s with those breezes out of the southwest at around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Northern Rhode Island temperatures upper 30s to low 40s, 39 Burville, 39 in Foster, and eastern Massachusetts temperatures also in the low 40s, 43 for Fall River, 41 Seekonk, and 42 in Middletown. Now, in that 7-day futurecast, there is that snow again potentially starting tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening into Wednesday morning, with the highest accumulations to the south and east of Providence. The snow should wrap up by Wednesday morning, so Wednesday afternoon. We're very cold, but at least the snow has moved away. Another thing to really emphasize here is the extremely cold weather. You can see those single-digit numbers for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday morning. High temperatures only in the teens to low 20s. Wind chills will be well below zero at times. I'll have more details in your 7-day futurecast in a few minutes. Also updating the weather discussion right